Hi everyone, this is Brian back with another video in my case study at Wealthy Relief. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and click that bell notification so you'll always be up to date when new videos are released. So in the last video, I was just showing you what it's like to get started at Wealthy Affiliate if you're wanting to build an online business in affiliate marketing. Went through the first two lessons, basically welcoming you to Wealthy Affiliate and then showing you the vehicle at which you're going to be making money online as you build out your business, which is through affiliate marketing. And it kind of explained through a diagram the process of making money through affiliate marketing. Well, today we're going to move even further. We're going to go into niche choosing and the beginnings of building out a website. So let's go ahead and log in and take a closer look at that. Alright, so I'm going to go down to the training. Going back to the affiliate or the online entrepreneur certification, I'm going to go back to where it says level 1 getting started. Alright, so we've already done this and we've done the second lesson, so now I'm going to go to lesson 3, choosing your niche. And I've mentioned this a bit before, but I know it says steps to choosing your perfect niche, but the perfect niche for you is something that you're going to be very knowledgeable in, something you know you can help people with. Don't just choose something based solely on the money aspect of it, of how much money you can potentially make. Because if you're knowledgeable in a specific niche or subject, and you know how to help people with it, the money is going to come. Because the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, and really the only thing you want to focus on is helping people in a specific niche. And if you can do that, they're going to trust you. And then, they're going to buy or follow whatever you offer or suggest. So that's going to come with time after you show that you are a knowledgeable person in your niche and that they can trust you and that you can solve their problems. So it says, so you want to start an online business, but you just don't know where to start? The first step, of course, is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific market or segment of a market that you can target with your business. There are many factors to consider when choosing a niche, such as your interests, skills, and the needs of your target audience, but the most important factor is to choose a niche that you're passionate about. When you're passionate about your niche, it will be easier to create content, products, and services that people want. Now, there's a little walkthrough video, and I'm not going to go through that here, but Kyle gives you a visual representation of ways to find the niche that'll be the best fit for you. Now, going down a little further, it says to help simplify this process, here are a few steps for choosing a niche for your online business. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, focus on a specific sub-niche within your larger niche. This will make it easier to stand out from the competition and attract your audience. I'll give you an example. Health and wellness. Now that's a big but general niche. Let's break it down further. Okay, what specific diets are you knowledgeable about? The keto diet. Okay, boom. You know how that works for you. You know what type of foods to use for the keto diet. You might know what exercises that benefit the keto diet. That's what you want to focus on in the health and wellness niche. So focus on the subset of that. Now it says be creative. Don't be afraid to think outside the box when choosing a niche. There are many unique and profitable niches out there that people have yet to discover, and that is very true. Don't be afraid to fail. Everyone fails at some point. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Through time, you can be involved in many niches and you can always change your niche down the road. Don't try to be perfect. Be yourself. No niche is the perfect niche. You make the niche perfect with the actions you will be taking and taught here. All niches are profitable. After all, there are 5.25 billion people online, and this is your potential audience. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve success in your online business and do so in absolutely any niche. This is the beauty of the internet business world. You can do something that you love and build a full-time business. And if you need help finding a niche or narrowing down your niche ideas, I recommend that you use a niche finder tool that uses AI. And you've got exclusive access here being a member of Wealthy Affiliate. This is a fairly newer tool that's been added, so let's take a little closer look at it here. So give it just a moment as it loads up. All right. Start your business by finding the right niche here. Building a business at Wealthy Affiliate starts with a niche, so let us help you find one. So let's just do exercise. All right. Now you don't have an unlimited amount of searches, but they just want to give you a certain amount to help you out. All right, so let's break down the exercise niche. Here are personalized niche suggestions for you. Yoga, CrossFit, aerobics, Zumba, bodybuilding, running, Pilates, swimming, strength training. Do you see the potential here? This is a general niche, but it can be broken down into one of these things related to this. You might be an excellent jogger, or you might have run cross country, or you know how to run marathons. This might be the perfect niche for you. You may be into building muscle mass. You know how to do that very well. Bodybuilding would be for you. You might know how to do aerobics very well. This would be for you. It will be under the exercise niche, but you can break it down into something more to your style and your taste. That's what this tool helps you to do. And it's a very nice tool to use. Especially if you join Wealthy Affiliate. You'll have access as a starter member to this for 7 days. And then if you go to Premium or Premium Plus, you'll have access to this. Alright, now he goes on to mention, Kyle, that if you're really stuck at this point and you cannot decide on a niche, perhaps you may be interested in the make money online affiliate marketing niche. If you don't have a niche at this point, this will be your niche, and we have an affiliate bootcamp dedicated to those that are interested in promoting Wealthy Affiliate, one of the most lucrative affiliate programs in the world. There's nothing wrong with this, but I'm going to voice my opinion here. Okay? If you're starting out, never doing affiliate marketing, my opinion is you want to start with the Online Entrepreneur Certification before going in and promoting Wealthy Affiliate. The reason I say that is because choosing a niche of your liking, something that you're passionate about, and following the training here, you're going to see how it works. You're going to see how the training is put together. And when you follow the tasks and put in the action, you're going to see how it all works. And once you get to a point where it starts coming together and you're starting to see results, you're going to get confidence, and it's just going to be a snowball effect, and your business is going to grow. And then once that happens, then come back to the affiliate bootcamp and then start promoting Wealthy Affiliate, because then you can officially say, hey, this worked for me. Join Wealthy Affiliate. Let me show you why. This is my website. This is how it was successful. Wealthy Affiliate can do the same for you. That's in my opinion. If you want to do the affiliate bootcamp, go for it. But this is how I would do it, and that's why I kind of wanted to share that with you. Now, as I said, this is a case study, and I'm going through on building an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And so I have to choose a niche myself, and I've actually gotten one chosen. And I've decided to go in the cryptocurrency niche. Why, you might be asking? You may have heard of cryptocurrency before. Some people are for it, some are against it, saying it's just fake money. It's not physical money. It's just ones and zeros. Stay away from it. Well, I'm here to tell you that cryptocurrency has been around for a little bit, still a relatively young and new asset class, but it's got growing influence all over the world. People have made some money from it, and the way technology is moving and the way things are going, it's going to be around. Now, with that being said, there are pitfalls of it, and I have some knowledge, personal experience myself with cryptocurrency. I've been involved with it for the last 6.5 years. I've invested in some cryptocurrency. I've lost money. I've made a little bit of money. I've been a victim of cryptocurrency scams. So I do have some knowledge in it, and I want to share that knowledge with people, especially when it comes to some of the scams out there, because I don't want people to become a victim of those type of scams, but I also want people to make money from it. Now, there's all kinds of cryptocurrencies out there. It's just almost hard to know which ones to choose from, and that's where I want to do research on and show which ones show real, true promise at fixing a major real-world problem, while others are just fluff and really are not going to have any long-term value. So that's why I've chosen the cryptocurrency niche. So, with that being said, and if you're following along and doing this yourself and wanting to build an online business, hopefully you've got a niche chosen that will work for you. And we're going to go forward to the building of a website. So let's go to the next lesson here. So now we're going to be building our website. Now it says build your website in 30 seconds. And it's not wrong. You're like, wait a minute, 30 seconds, come on now. The shell of your website will be built in 30 seconds, but it isn't going to have really any content except the templates that are already there. You're going to be the one that's going to have to add all the content and everything to it, but it will all be there, so you just plug into it. So, it says right here, building a website is a great way to share your ideas with the world. It's also a great way to make money online, build and establish a brand, and then generate all sites of rankings in search engines like Google. It is the foundation of all successful businesses online. The first step is getting up and running with your initial website. We make it easy to build a website even if you don't know anything about coding. And don't worry, you don't have to know anything about coding. The process of building a website looks like this here at Wealthy Affiliate. Choose the type of website you want to build, whether it's a free domain or a domain you own. I recommend having your own domain, but if you're a free member, you may not have that right now, you can do the free domain as well. As a starter, you can build a website on a free domain that's provided for you. That's the nice thing about the starter membership pack, and that website, just that one, will be yours even if you don't upgrade. Choose a domain name for your website, which is the address of your website on the internet. Choose a template for your website, which is the design of your website as a starter. You have one option if you're a starter. If you upgrade, you will unlock over 4,000 plus websites designs, which is true. So what he's saying here is, as a starter, you only have one specific option. But if you upgrade, yes, you'll get access to tons and tons of more. Publish your website once you are happy with the name of it. And then by following these steps and tips, you can create a website that is successful and effectively reaches your target audience. So there's a walkthrough that Kyle created. It gives you a visual of the entire process, but I will be showing you a little bit of that myself. It says you have access to the world's most efficient website builder here at Wealthy Affiliate, and you will be up and running with your website in a matter of minutes. So now we've come to the end of the fourth lesson. It says, nice work, you're up and running with your website. Remember that your website starts off as a blank canvas. Just like an artist, you're going to be building out your website and making it more beautiful. As you do so, creating your own masterpiece. And as you move through the training, this is what you're going to be taught. So the task here, or of course, is to watch the video on building your website and then doing it yourself. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like here. So I'm going to click this, because this is where you're going to go to begin the process of building your website. So this is where you have 3 different options. This is the free domain that you'll get when you join as a starter member. This is the one if you're ready to upgrade, domain I own. This is where I'm going to be going. And if you don't have a domain yet, you can do that here. At one time, you had to go to a separate website, domain register site like GoDaddy.com to do that. And then you would have to point it here to Wealthy Affiliate. That's no longer the case. You can register it here. It's all under one roof now. So we're going to go to the domain I own. And then we're going to choose a domain name for your website. Like I said, I've already got it chosen. I will go here. It's called becryptosafe.com. That's what I'm going to choose. That's going to be the one there. And then you will enter a title of your website. So I haven't decided an exact title yet. I'm getting very close to one. But I will let you know what it is when I've decided on it. It's definitely going to be related to this, so the domain name. But this is where you go to put in the title for your website. And then you choose down here, the final step, the theme for your website. And see, there's a lot of different themes you can go through and choose. Nothing's going to be perfect, and if you don't like the theme, you can always change it later on. So you choose a theme. If it doesn't seem to work out for you, you can choose something else later. So I'm just kind of going through here, showing you kind of some options of what they look like here. Again, I haven't fully chosen a theme yet. But once I've got everything chosen, like the full name of the website and a theme, you'll see it here. So this is just kind of what I wanted to show you. Basically, how to choose a niche at Wealthy Affiliate and then begin the process of building out your website. And it's very easy to do. Again, this is where you go in Wealthy Affiliate to do it. If you're a starter member, choose this one. If you upgrade, this one. If you don't have a domain name yet, you can just go ahead and register it here. Put the domain name here. Put the title for your website here. And then choose a theme. And the shell of your website will be created. That's all there is to it. And of course, you're going to have to add the content later on. But Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to do that. So stay tuned, folks. We're getting into really good stuff now. We're going to be moving on to the next stuff, to more lessons. And we're going to be learning things like SEO, search engine optimization, getting your content ranked, producing content, and keyword research. So stay tuned, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video.